Hey, what's up guys? I am back with another video of Sony WH-CH400 headphones. It is the NFC and Bluetooth headphone with 20 hours battery life, calling supported and voice assistant also supported, and wireless, and one tap to connect. On its left side, the price is mentioned 4,990 rupees. Yes, it is a quite great product in this price, having NFC also. Now let's unbox it. Yes, here is a small Sony hologram. You people might not be able to see it. The box packing is very much difficult. There are lots of stuff in this box. Now let's take out these headphones and put it aside and see what are the other things in the box. Here are some user manuals and USB cable. Now let's unwrap it. Yes, they are exactly same as the which I have shown you in the last video of Sony speakers. The user manuals and start guide. Here is the USB cable, same as the old one which I have shown in your Sony speaker video. Same length, and which is good for the day-to-day uses. As it is rough and tough use, it is micro USB to Type A. And in the box there is nothing much left. Let's put it aside and see how this headphone looks. Yes, here are the headphones. Yeah, it looks damn pretty. On its left side there is a Sony logo, and I think so on the right side there is also. Yeah, on the above also. It is flexible. The increasing length is great. Here is the volume broker, play and pause button, and power button, and USB charging supported. And cushions are great for the day-to-day uses. Here are the two mics for calling. Yes, it is flexible very much. I think so it is completing their price of 5,000 rupees. Let's see the quick overview of the headphones. Hope you like our video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.